countless amounts of death reports have been reported in the last few days. The deaths are caused by a mysterious humanoid entity. The entity is approximately 3 to 4 meters tall and has the ability to shape-shift to match the appearance of someone, but it sometimes fails to look 100% identical and will look a little or even very abnormal. If you see a person abnormal in both appearance and behavior, keep your distance and report it to us immediately. Do not try to confront the entity by any means. If you dare to, the entity will start showing its true appearance and will become hostile and aggressive. For now, it is best to stay in your home and don't let anyone in. Even though it is your family or whoever it is, it may be an entity that disguises themselves as your family. I hope this broadcast helps you in this current situation and may God ensure our safety.